All right, guys, so quick update on the Ranger. You know the Ranger. This one. With the four-wheel drive not working. Okay, so it turns out the customer inherited it this way. This I didn't know. I just found that out. Called him up and said, you're missing a bunch of pieces. Did you know that? He said, no, didn't know that. He goes, apparently it was his brother's car, and he inherited it this way. He didn't know anything about it. He got it on the road, and he went to go try four-wheel drive, and it didn't work. That's why he brought it in. So we don't know what's wrong with the front differential. We don't know if we're going to fix it. We may not. So it looks like we're going to try to see what's wrong with it, see if we can't figure it out. But I mean, he would need a pair of axles. I got a funny feeling if that's missing, either there's a problem with the transfer case or there's a problem with the front diff. I don't know. I'm going to venture a guess towards the front diff. But I got to see how far he wants to go. He may take it just the way it is and leave it alone. He said, you know, he was just driving it and he just figured, let me try four-wheel drive, and it didn't work. So that's why he brought it in. He thought maybe it was a simple fix. He saw the motor in the back, and but he didn't know anything about how any of that stuff works. So he figured, let us look at it and figure it out. So, but he may leave it alone. But he said he's going to think about it overnight if he wants us to go any further, and then we're going to go from there. So anyway, that's your update. So anyway, that's it. Hope you got something out of my videos. If you do, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.